Okay, so I'll define a method firstly called print, but I'm going to call it print time 24 because this will be the 24-hour time representation. Of course, the current time is accessed with time.now, and then to format my time, I'm going to use strftime and a format string. strftime uses a percent character to represent each component of my time, followed by a letter that identifies which component I'm referring to. So for the hour, I use the capital H, then I'll put a colon between my hour, and for the minute, I'll use percent and the capital M. I want to print this to the screen, and then I'll use N to close my method. To call this code, I'll call printtime24. Running the code gives me the time in 24-hour format. Right now, it's 3 minutes past 8 p.m. If I like, I can define the time in the 12-hour format. That is to use the AM and PM notation that many of us are familiar with. Once again, I'll use puts, I'll use time.now to get the current time, and strftime, and this time I'm going to use a slightly different format. Instead of using the H, I'm going to use I, which represents the 12-hour time. A colon once again, and minute will be the same. Now I can use another component of the format known as P. That's the meridian indicator, so that's the AM and PM. To use this method, I'll just call printtime12. And you can see now I have two variants of my print time method, the first being 24-hour, the second being 12-hour with the meridian indicator.